Welcome to B&B Beta, where today we're going to be replacing the air filter on a 67 plate Vauxhall Zafira. It's a 1.4 litre petrol turbo, and nice easy job this. Tools and equipment you'll need: Phillips screwdriver, either a stubby screwdriver or, like I've got here, a wrench with an extender bar and a Phillips head on the end. I'll explain why in a second, but essentially it's the clearance here and then the new filter itself. So using your Phillips screwdriver, there's just 6 screws to undo around the air filter housing itself. To get to these 2 screws though, it's a bit harder, as I mentioned earlier, with the clearance. So this is where you can either use a stubby, like a shortened Phillips, or like I'm going to use in this case, just a wrench with an extender and then the Phillips head on the end. I'm not sure if this is the same for all models, but certainly on this one, you can see here that the screws don't actually come out completely, and I guess that's the feature to stop screws coming out and into the engine bay. So you loosen it until it can't loosen anymore and it will just spin freely, and then at that stage, once you've done all the screws, we can now lift the air filter housing off. And it's literally just a case of lifting it up so you can get access to the old air filter itself. And then I'm just going to remove this just by pulling it up. Get a little bit fiddly. And then taking it out. Megan! Now you can see here why you should change your L filter in accordance with the service schedule. It's horrible. So I'm going to pop this back in, same way it was orientated before. So this sort of black hashed grate is going to be facing the sky, essentially. So I'll slide that back in now. Now, whilst the air filter itself appears to be symmetrical, what I've done is I've actually orientated this the same way as the old one was fitted. So on this one, it's got the writing just on this side, and you can see this sort of section here hasn't got as dirty as the rest of it. So I've done exactly the same here. I've put the writing orientated in towards the engine bay itself, and then it's quite a snug fit, so you just got to gently press it down into position, which I'll go round and do now. Having pressed the air filter housing into place now, I'm just going to go round and righty-tighty all the screws. And then I've just fired up the car just to make sure all sounds and looks good. And that's all sorted. Nice easy job. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to help other beaters out there too. Take care, thank you.